So, hi on mga Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So, we have here Vivo Y04S. So, madami tayong na-unbox na Vivo dito sa ating YouTube channel. And this is 4GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. So, 6,000 mAh battery capacity. Ayan, IP64, dust, and water resistant. 10 times high intensity flashlight. Okay. Color that we have is green. If you want to consider buying this Android phone mga Mars, you just have to click the yellow basket down below. Mas mura nyo po siyang mabibili if gagamitin nyo yung product natin na nakalink dito sa ating video. So, kasi may exclusive voucher lang na binibigay si Shopee sa ating YouTube channel. Okay. So, check na natin yung inclusion niya. So, igigilid lang natin to. So, we have silicone cases or silicone case, sorry. We also have here manuals and guidelines. Charging brick. Okay. And then, Type-C charging cord. Ayan, Type-C charging cord. And then, pin ejector or pin eject tool. Alright. So, yan ang ating inclusion sa loob ng box. Check naman natin yung ating unit. So, gigilid lang natin to. Slide lang natin na para bang ice candy ang ating unit. We have here power button, and then volume up and down. Ayan. Sa bottom part, we have earphone jack, Type-C charging port. We also have microphone. Left corner, we have SIM tray. Ayan. SIM tray. Okay. Sa upper corner, we have speaker grills. And this is I think this is a notch display. Feel ko notch siya. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman. So, this is a notch display. Okay. Check na natin kagad yung kanyang camera module in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, we have two lenses in here. Flashlight and flash. We have Vivo branding. And this is the color that we have. Matte finish. Yung kanyang back. Okay. So, hindi siya prone sa smudges, sa fingerprints, and also sa mga scratches. Okay. Ganda. Though, again, yung mga ganitong mga type of design is hindi na siya bago for us. Since marami na talagang Android phone na lumalabas ng same na yung kanilang camera module. Medyo nagkakatalo lang sila sa branding kung saan nila ilalagay. Madalas pag ganito, ganon, and then may mga effect pa silang ina-add. Yung iba nag-add ng another tone of color, but this one is just a plain green with glaring effect if iti-tilt mo siya. Pero plain lang siya. Alright? So, open na natin to mga Mars. I-set up ko to real quick. Balikan ko po kayo. So, ayan, na-set up na natin siya mga Mars. As you can see, tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-smoothable. Smoothability. Okay. So, ayan. Settings. Where's the settings? There you go. Okay, about phone. Vivo Y04S. Octa-core yung kanyang processor with 8GB of RAM. Android version 15, 256GB of ROM. Yan lang yung ating settings. OneTouch OS 15. Sa ating display, dynamic, okay. Well, actually, ang dami pa pwede natin i-check dito sa kanyang settings. So, this is just a quick unboxing. So, quick snap lang to. So, maximum of refresh rate is 90. Okay. Check naman natin yung kanyang camera. Okay, yung back cam. Though yung back cam niya, hindi ko siya feel pa as of now. Pero tingnan natin sa outdoor if maganda siya. Pero ito kanyang front-facing. Kanyang front-facing sample na selfie camera. So far yun lang ating quick unboxing with this Android phone. The Vivo Y04S. Again, if you want to consider buying this Android phone mga sis-Mars, just click the yellow basket down below or click nyo po yung description box. So, once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, TikTok account, A_Malonzo. Dito sa ating YouTube channel, A Stories. See you ulit sa ating next na vlog, unboxing, game test, or camera test buyers.